Last night I got wise. I've been holding on this feeling, love's just like in disguise. And I knew from when I first saw you, I felt this river of emotion flood my world of no truth. It was over in a smile and a word or two. But still I'm standing in this moment. I'm standing here with things I just got to say to you. Gotta let you know I've been dying for this feeling. Maybe I'm high, but I see what I've been needing in you. Now I'm drowning in your waterfall. Call this the sign or the start of my healing. For love's worst lies, you got me believing in you. Now I'm drowning in your waterfall. First sight, eyes wide, have me smiling through this darkness I've been keeping inside. First time for a long, long time, I felt these droplets of contempt at my soberest of minds. And it was over in a smile and a word or two. But still I'm standing on this moment. I'm standing here with things I just got to say to you. Hey, gotta let you know I've been dying for this feeling. Maybe I'm high, but I see what I've been needing in you. Now I'm drowning in your waterfall. Call this a sign or the start of my healing. For those worst lies, you got me believing in you. Now I'm drowning in your waterfall. I know I'll never see your eyes blink and nights dream away. And I know I'll never get a chance to ask if you would stay with me. Still I'm drowning in your waterfall. Gotta let you know I've been dying for this feeling. Maybe I'm high, but I see what I've been needing in you. Now I'm drowning in your waterfall. Call this a sign or the start of my healing. For love's worst lies, you got me believing in you. Now I'm drowning in your waterfall.